Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am wrapping up my Cozy Lodge pad, kind of doing a final view of everything that I made with this pad. I started this pad back in November with my Crafty Christmas collab and made 4 projects with it in November and then finished pretty much the rest of it in December. A lot of it at the end of December, but just kind of go through some of the things that I made. I managed to get 51 cards, A2 size cards out of this pad. I got 14 hot cocoa packets, and some of these I will be inserting pictures because they've already either been sold or gifted or sent out. So I will try and insert pictures for all the things that I don't have physically left here on the table. I also had 4 wine tags. I do have 2 of those left. 2 bread wraps, which I no longer have. 17 fun fold Christmas cards, which were the ones that I made for my personal cards, and I added our family picture on there. 5 Hershey bar matchbooks, so I had the 3 snack size Hershey's and like a little matchbook holder. Those are all gone. 7 chunky Christmas trees, so the wooden trees that my husband cut out for me and I covered in paper, those are gone. I have this advent calendar binder that I made using the Lori Whitlock file. I just shared the video on that last week, I think. And then I have 2 December daily albums that I also made. So these, plus a lot of the cards, I just made like at the very end of December. So after all of that, this is what I have left. So there are some white papers here, like the wood grain, that I saved because I thought they might make like good journaling pieces for, you know, our December daily. There's a border strip left. These are the tops of the tags that were on the little number cut aparts that I used for this binder. I had to punch the numbers out because the boxes were too small to use the whole tag. So I saved these in case we might want to put them, you know, behind pictures or something just to help decorate our December dailies. Just some other random scraps in here. I do have a tag that I haven't stuck in there yet. There's a couple of pictures or little images that I had fussy cut out that I figured I could save and add to decorate our December daily pages. And then just some other like random scraps. So this is what I have left after adding something on the inside of all of the cards that I had left. So this will all go into a baggie and get put away for next December when Ellie and I work on our December dailies. So this may seem like a lot more left than I usually have, but that's because it will hopefully get used next December when we finish off our December dailies. So that is what I got out of this pad. I didn't get as many cards as usual. I think I mentioned that in my card share, and that's just because I did a lot more other projects this time and some bigger projects, but still, 68 cards total if you count the Christmas cards that I had, the fun fold ones. So all in all, I loved this pad. It was a lot of fun, and I'm so glad I finally used it and got it out of my stash and made some pretty things with it. One side note I wanted to share with you guys, after I did the video where I shared my countdown calendar and my December daily journals, one of my viewers commented and said that she had a pad that had these cut apart numbers as well, and there were 2 sheets in it, and so she made a little memory game using those. So I thought that was an awesome idea, and I just wanted to share that for you guys in case anybody else would want to use that idea in the future as well for the pads that have the little number cut aparts in them. But anyway, I am done with this pad. Happy to wrap it up, put everything away, focus on a different subject, different holiday. But thank you guys for sticking with me through this pad, through my Christmas projects, and I hope you're having a crafty month.